Hi, I'm Dr. Erica Warren, educational therapist and executive functioning coach. I created a fun and engaging visual motor activity download to help kids strengthen the brain-to-hand fine motor connection using tools they already love, like the iPad and Apple Pencil. These activities can be printed for hands-on use or completed digitally on an iPad using the GoodNotes app, making them perfect for home, school, or on-the-go learning. With this flexible resource, your child can improve fine motor control and hand-eye coordination, build confidence through tracing, drawing, and early writing movements, practice without the pressure or frustration of using a traditional pencil. Get targeted support for challenges related to dysgraphia, dyspraxia, or developmental delays. Instead of passive screen time, give your child the chance to build real-world skills, right from their desk, couch, or kitchen table. Let's build confident learners, one activity at a time. If you'd like to learn more and even get some free sample activities, come on over to Good Sensory Learning or scan the QR code. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share so others can find this fun resource. Thanks so much.